welcome back to my channel. In today's video I am making rough or rock buns. This is a common street food or snack from Ghana. It is so easy and simple to make. Alright guys, so come with me to my creative kitchen and let's get started. Right, so I'll be using half a cup of milk, 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon powder for flavor, half a cup of sugar, 2 fresh eggs, 2 tablespoons of butter, and 2 cups of self-raising flour. So in a clean bowl, I will add 2 cups of self-raising flour. Next, I will add my cinnamon powder, followed by my sugar, and then I'll combine this by giving it a good stir. All right guys, yes, so give it a good stir to make sure that it combines properly. All right, next I'm adding my butter or margarine, so I'm using 2 tablespoons. Right, so with my clean hands I will combine this by massaging the butter. All right, yeah, so now I'm adding my eggs, 2 eggs. Okay, yeah, combine again using my hand. At this point, I'm going to add my milk bit by bit. So I've added part of it. I will then mix this by massaging. Okay, and then I'll add the rest. All right, I'm adding the remaining now. Yeah, so that's it. This rough buns looks like scones. Yeah, it's like scones. The texture of it is like scones. Okay, so we don't want it to be too watery and we don't want it to be too stiff or hard. It should be in between. Okay, so yeah, this is the texture or consistency that you will need for your rough buns. Okay, so at this point I will set this aside and then butter my baking tray with grease, butter or grease it with some margarine to prevent the dough from sticking in there. All right, so at this point I will use my clean hands to scoop it. Okay, you have to scoop any amount that you want depending on the size that you are looking for. So if you want it to be smaller than this, just scoop a tiny bit. If you want it to be bigger than this, scoop it more than what I am doing. Okay, yeah. All right, so you will need 1 extra egg for brushing the top. Okay, so I'm going to brush the top with egg. So while I am doing this, I am preheating my oven at 150. Yeah, so after brushing the top, I will then bake for 30 minutes. All right guys, so after 30 minutes, this is how my rough or rock buns looks like. It is so easy and simple to make, but guys, trust me, it is so yummy. It is delicious. All right guys, so try your hands on this recipe and let me know what you think, your thoughts. Give me your feedback. Thank you. Please subscribe to my channel for more amazing recipes. Guys, thank you so much for watching. I will see you again in my next one. Bye.